Well, real name is William Baggett Jr., like my father. My name's Billy. I'm a lawyer here at Baggett McCall. My father had always done it, and I used to say, when I grow up, I'm going to be a preacher or a lawyer, and people would laugh. I guess I kind of thought of preachers and lawyers as sort of intellectuals, or, I don't know. Maybe I was just trying to say the right answer. But I always sort of thought I would end up doing this. The case that I worked on that I'm probably the most proud of, or the one that at least has had the greatest repercussions today, involved fellas that were exposed to asbestos back when the law was better for working people. But the law changed before they got sick. We were able to convince the Supreme Court that the law in effect at the time of their exposure should apply. So they got the benefit of the old law. That puts asbestos victims, benzene cancer victims, in a much better position in this state than they are in any other state. We don't have to worry about bankrupt asbestos defendants because the oil companies that did it to them are still here. They're not bankrupt like a lot of asbestos defendants. It disturbs me to hear about cases where the fellow goes and hires some lawyer who treats a Louisiana case just like he would a case from Texas. That would be a big mistake. And that phrase, choose your lawyer carefully, really applies in a situation where someone chooses not to employ a local lawyer. Cases I work on, most lawyers wouldn't even know they had a case. I mean, somebody walks in and says, I have leukemia and I worked in the oil fields, or I worked in oil refinery. Oh, that's interesting. It's something you have to know what you're looking for. These cases aren't won by accident. You don't just show up with your client and they write you a check. They've got to know that you're ready to take the case to trial if it's necessary.